Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of our journal making series. What if I told you that you don't actually need fancy stickers to decorate your journal? In this part, we will create our own journal stickers. So let's get started. I have taken some tea stain paper, regular A4 sheets, and some grocery covers. And we are also taking some recycled paper, which I have shown in the first part. So these are very thin to make the pages, so I'm taking it for the stickers. When we draw these pictures on a tea stain paper, it gives a vintage look. Now let's add some color. I'm using brush pens and watercolor here, but you really don't need any particular type of coloring medium. You can use whatever you already have, colored pencils, crayons, markers. Even a simple black outline can look really cute. Once everything is colored and dry, it's time to turn these little drawings into stickers. The first method is probably the easiest one. Simply cut them out and stick them directly on your journal using glue. This is actually the method I prefer most when I'm journaling. If you want your stickers to have a more finished or glossy look, you can try another method. All we need is a sellotape and a butter paper. You can follow these steps and do it yourself. So, depending on the kind of look you want, you can choose whichever method works better for you. Also make sure that you don't over press these stickers because when you have to remove it, it will become difficult. And that's it. Our handmade stickers are ready. We have seen how to make stickers from normal papers. So let's see how to use a sticker paper. While scrolling the Pinterest app, I got these beautiful quotes, so I thought I could use it for my journal. If you can't find a sticker paper, you can directly write these quotes on your journal. It's up to you. You can decorate it with your own ideas and your own quotes from your mind. As I'm writing on sticker paper, I use a permanent marker. If you can find the sticker paper like this, our job becomes easier because we can easily remove the layer and stick it in our journal pages. I'm using a pen cutter to shape its border and then place it on our journal pages. You can see it is easily coming out. It is a transparent sticker paper. If you can get an opaque one, then it would be the best. Do you remember these dry flowers from our previous video? I'm using the same method to make dry flower stickers. If you want to use the dry flowers as it is, you can use a washi tape. You can simply stick it to the journal pages. Now let's create a bookmark from dry flowers and some invitation cards. So for making the bookmarks, I'm using a lamination pouch. If you don't have this one, don't worry, I can get you another method. You can simply place the dry flowers into sellotape cuttings. Here, as I'm using a lamination pouch, I need to heat it. And you can even look around your home for interesting papers or packaging and turn those into stickers too. If you enjoyed this part of my journaling series, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Thettiyil Crafts. And tell me in the comments which sticker would you make first. I'll see you in the next part. Thank you.